The complete installation guide for Logistick's Loadbar Wide, the next generation one-way load bar solution for securing light to medium loads. After loading the cargo, determine the best location for installation. Keep in mind that multiple sets of load bar wide may be needed to safely secure your cargo. Choose an area that will place each load bar wide at the same height and position, assuring the 2x4 will be installed parallel to the floor in a level manner. The 2x4 needs to be directly against the freight, which prevents the cargo from beginning to shift. The entire wall application area must be clean and dry to ensure proper installation. Use a dry cloth and, if needed, a scraper and rubbing alcohol to remove loose debris, condensation, or frost from the application area. To ensure proper fit and pressure, always use a standard 96-inch 8-foot 2x4. Each load bar wide contains a perforated foam insert that is engineered to apply continuous pressure between the 2x4 and the walls of the trailer. The load bar wide is specifically designed for use in wide trailers with an inside width of 99 to 102 inches. If the inside width of the trailer is less than 99 inches, cut your 2x4 to 4 inches less than the inside width of the trailer at the application area. Remove the tape backing from one load bar wide. In a level manner, place the load bar wide onto the determined prepped application area of one wall, making sure that the handle is pointed away from the freight and the pocket of the load bar wide is positioned so the 2x4 will be in contact with the freight. Next, insert the 2x4 into the pocket of the installed load bar wide and place the second load bar wide onto the opposite end of the 2x4 with the tape backing still in place. Pull the second load bar wide towards you and slide into the other chosen prepared application area on the opposite wall of the trailer. Please note that an ample amount of force is needed to slide the second load bar wide into place because of the outward pressure of the system. If the pressure is too great, remove half of one foam insert and try to reinstall. If the pressure is still too much, remove half of the foam insert from the opposite side and reinstall. Never remove all the foam from the load bar wide. Once the second load bar wide is in position, locate the exposed adhesive tab near the handle. Fold the adhesive tab against the load bar wide and peel back the corner of the tape backing for easy grasping. While carefully maintaining the position of the 2x4 and second load bar wide, use one hand to pull the handle of the load bar wide slightly toward you and away from the trailer wall. With your other hand, grab the corner of the tape backing. Pull down and to the rear of the load bar wide, exposing several inches of the adhesive. Next, slowly release the handle and gently secure the exposed portion of adhesive to the trailer wall. Once secure, hold the load bar wide in place with one hand and pull the remaining portion of the backing downward and to the rear of the load bar wide. Make sure the entire tape backing is removed so the entire adhesive surface is uncovered and exposed to the wall. When the entire tape backing has been removed from the second load bar wide, press it firmly and squarely against the wall. Repeat this action with the other load bar wide, making sure firm and steady pressure is applied. Continue this process until you feel certain the entire surface of each load bar wide has fully adhered to the wall. The complete removal guide for Logistick's Load Bar Wide, the one-way load bar solution for securing light and medium weight loads. For safe and easy removal, Logistick recommends using our load bar removal tool. The tool is engineered for the complete removal of the load bar wide system. With the 2x4 installed, place the forks of the load bar removal tool around the pocket of the load bar wide, positioning the forks as close to the wall as possible. Pull the handle away from the wall to collapse the pocket of the load bar wide and roll the pocket off the wall. Take caution as the board frees itself from the pocket. Remove the board and repeat for the other side. Logistick Loadbar Wide Alternative Removal Method. One side of each load bar wide pocket has labeled scoring channels. Since each load bar wide is designed for either right or left side use, scoring channels will be accessible on at least one load bar wide. Score the channels on one load bar wide thoroughly with a safety knife. Next, pry open and bend back the load bar wide pocket using a pry bar, so the 2x4 is exposed. Lift and remove the 2x4 from the pocket by prying up and pulling down. Remove each load bar wide by wedging a pry bar down between the load bar wide and the wall of the trailer. Use slow and steady outward pressure to pry and pull the load bar wide off the wall. For the opposing side load bar wide, remove the foam insert and use the 2x4 as a lever by inserting it fully into the pocket and prying the 2x4 downward until the load bar releases from the wall. Use a cloth and, if needed, a scraper and citrus-based adhesive remover to clean any remaining tape residue from the trailer walls.